climbing the 14 tallest peaks in the world, and the power of your amygdala. I'm going to show you how to build confidence through doing something difficult every day. This is confidence hack number 39 of 365 throughout the year, every single day. If you want this in your inbox, go to davidnurse.com, sign up for free to start your day off on the right confident foot. Nirmal Purja. Does that name ring a bell? Well, I don't know if it does, but Nirmal grew up in an extremely poor village in Nepal. His parents were from two different Nepalese castes and quickly became outcasts in their country's society. Nirmal had plans much bigger than a life of poverty, but he knew getting out would not be easy. So he joined the military as a special ops in the Navy. However, his life path was thwarted when he took a bullet from a sniper that just barely missed his neck and would have, of course, instantly ended his life. He knew deep down he was built for more, but he also knew that road was difficult. Nirmal set out on a daunting journey that seemed impossible, literally. He decided he would become the first to scale 14 8,000 feet and above peaks throughout the world in less than 7 months. The previous record was 7 years. 7 years, he decided, I'm going to do it in 7 months without a whole lot of climbing background. Could this even be done? Well, no one believed he could do it other than Nirmal and the team he'd somehow convinced to join him on this inevitable death mission. But what Nirmal knew was that this confidence hack, the same thing that it provides, is confidence is gained through the growth of gray matter in your brain through doing something difficult. You're probably wondering right now, well, okay, cool, but what does this gray matter really have to do with anything? The answer, it has everything to do with anything. Engaging in challenging activities leads to the growth of gray matter, the tissue responsible for the process of the formation in the brain and responsible for increased confidence. This also activates the amygdala when facing fear or anxiety associated with stepping outside of your comfort zone. As you continue to activate your amygdala, it becomes less reactive, which attributes to resilience and confidence in any situation. Nirmal did it. He achieved the unthinkable. And not only did Nirmal and his team break the record of 7 years, not only did they achieve their goal of scaling the 14 tallest peaks in the world in under 7 months, they finished in 6 months and 6 days. Undoubtedly going down in history in one of the most incredible physical accomplishments of all time. And one of the most amazing gray matter building, confidence infusing expeditions that has ever scaled any mountain throughout the world. Now, I'm not saying you have to go out and climb mountains to gain confidence through doing something difficult. You absolutely don't. You could take a ice cold shower in the morning or do 50 burpees to start the day. I hate burpees, but if that's your way, go ahead. The old adage, eat the frog in the morning. Do something that gets you outside your comfort zone so you will gain more confidence. Trust me, your amygdala will thank you. So gain a confidence boost today by doing something that challenges you and get out of that comfort zone. What is that challenging thing going to be? You can do one today, tomorrow, every single day from here on out. And I promise you, your gray matter will grow and your confidence will also grow. As you probably know, I am really big on health and especially brain health. That's where it all starts, literally, the brain. And when I have an opportunity to try something out that is said to, this will improve cognition and help with neurodegeneration and also the inflammation in the brain, I'm gonna check it out. And what I have found has been really, really positive so far. I've been feeling clear. I've been feeling sharp. I've been feeling high energy. So I'm seeing the results, but also seeing and hearing the patient studies and the results that have been done. This is called Tri-Neuro Supplements, just like it sounds. Tri-Neuro, Neuro, supplements.com. Check it out. They are changing the game when compared to Alpha Brain, which is supposed to be and supposedly known as the best. It actually outperforms with the level of ingredients and the cost. So it's not going to just rob you of the bank to be boosting your brain. It's a small pill that you take. It's just like a vitamin like anything else. And hey, check it out. What they're doing for the David Nurse Show and anybody listening, they're giving 20% off. The code at checkout is NURSE20, and that's tryneurosupplements.com. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Give me the feedback, and I think it's really worth it. Honestly, just anything you can do to protect your brain and the longevity of the mental health that you have, go for it.